How to find the IP address of a website. Discover the secrets of finding the IP address of any website in just a few steps. Every website has an associated IP address, which is essential for communication between devices on a network. But as a user, you may want to find the IP address associated with a website. Let's explore 3 methods to uncover this information. Method 1. Using the ping command. Windows users can simply open the command prompt and type ping examplewebsite.com. Mac users can perform the same task through terminal. The results will not only show the connection's reliability but also reveal the IP address of the website. Method 2. Using the NSLookup command. Another command line tool provides even more information. Windows users can open the command prompt while Mac users need to open terminal and type NSLookup examplewebsite.com. In the results, you'll see the IP address of the website. Method 3. Using the DNS Lookup tool. The simplest way to find the IP address of a website is by using the DNS Lookup tool at whatismyip.com. Just enter the website URL, and the tool will provide the IP address along with other DNS information. So whether you prefer using the ping command, the NSLookup command, or the convenient DNS Lookup tool, you can easily find the IP address of any website. Ready to uncover the IP addresses behind your favorite websites? Visit whatismyip.com/DNS-lookup to start using the tool now.